Hello everyone, I'm Cassie. Installing a geosynthetic membrane is a critical step in various civil engineering and environmental projects, such as landfills, ponds, reservoirs, and containment facilities. The 10 most considered factors before, during, and after installation are: 1. Thoroughly inspecting the subgrade. Before installing the geomembrane, inspect the subgrade thoroughly for any sharp objects, rocks, debris, or irregularity. The subgrade should be smooth, free of sharp edges, and properly compacted. 2. Properly storing and handling the geomembrane. Store the geomembrane rolls in a dry, shaded area to protect them from UV exposure and damage. Handle the rolls with care to avoid tears, punctures, or wrinkles that could compromise the integrities of the liner. 3. Choosing the right geomembrane material and thickness. Select a geomembrane material suitable for the specific project requirements, considering factors such as chemical compatibility, hydrostatic pressure, and site conditions. 4. Utilizing proper seaming techniques. Seam the geomembrane using the recommended seaming techniques for the chosen material, such as thermal fusion, extrusion welding, or chemical bonding. The seams should be strong, watertight, and tested for quality assurance. 5. Conducting leak testing. Perform leak testing on the installed geomembrane to ensure its integrity. 6. Considering slope and anchoring. If the installation involves slopes, ensure the geomembrane is properly anchored and secured to prevent sliding or displacement. Using appropriate anchoring methods, such as ballasting, cover soil, or anchor trenches. 7. Overlapping and covering the geomembrane properly. Provide sufficient overlap, typically 0.3 to 0.6 meters, between adjacent geomembrane panels to create a continuous barrier. Cover the geomembrane with suitable protective materials like soil, sand, or geotextiles to shield it from UV exposure, physical damage, and weathering. 8. Monitoring weather conditions. Avoid installing the geomembrane during adverse weather conditions such as strong winds, rain, or extreme temperatures, as these can hinder proper installation and compromise the liner's integrity. 9. Quality control and supervision. Implement a robust quality control program during installation. Regularly inspect the geomembrane and seam quality to ensure compliance with project specifications and standards. 10. Following the manufacturer's guidelines and engineering recommendations. Always adhere to the manufacturer's guidelines and recommendations for the specific geomembrane product you are using. Thank you.